Federal programs critical to the housing market are set to resume after legislation passed by the U.S. House of Representatives approved funding the government following the longest shutdown in American history. It's Friday, November 14th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. There is a 6-week backlog with many of these programs, so expect some additional delays as they work through them. The agreement also funds the federal housing programs and provides an extension of insurance writing authority for the National Flood Insurance Program through January 30th, 2026. 3 other spending bills related to agriculture, military, construction, and legislative agencies are included for the full fiscal year through September 30th, 2026. Those bills cover USDA and VA loan programs. Meanwhile, new resale inventory fell to 1,940 units at a median $399,000 list price. 997 homes are poised to come soon, a decrease of 8.4% from last report. New contracts fell again this week, landing at 1,449 units at a median list price of $410,000, and days fell to 26 days before contract. 1,045 units sold at 22 days and at 98.5% list to sold ratio at $438,000. Median sold price. Rental properties rose to 3,964 units and consistent week over week at $2,600 median per month. Got questions regarding your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, November 14th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.